First, we choose virtual motion function. Then move to VN image, upload image. You can use different format of image file. You can use QCOW for file or ISO file. Here we use ISO file for example. Choose the OS type. Finish upload image. Return to existing VM page. Create VM. Set up the detailed VM image setting. Click VM to finish the setting. Since VM creates success, power down the VM which you just created. Because of Windows installation doesn't include VirtIO driver. Without VirtIO driver, we cannot see hard disk. In that way, we need to attach VirtIO ISO variant. Power down it. After power down, we attach a variant first. This variant for VM. Then we attach a ISO variant for VirtIO. After attach, power up the VM. And open the console to start install Windows. This loading screen, it takes a while, so please wait. As regular Windows installation process setting. The only difference is installing driver need to choose VirtIO. Load driver, browse VirtIO, Virus 2, and choose Win10, AMD 64. You will see the Red Hat VirtIO here. If you cannot see the VirtIO driver, please uncheck the Hide drivers and use previously step to find the driver. Next. You will see the hard disk button. It will start to install Windows. Afterward, Windows finish install process. Then we go to Device Manager. You will see some device with yellow exclamation mark. Here, HID button, the install driver way is a little bit different. Press right click, update driver software, and browse. Let me pick. Here we choose generic bus. The driver install success. Other device update, you just need to update driver software. Browse, and here choose VirtIO. It will install success. These two devices are the same. While finish all drivers, we close it, then shut down Windows. Since shut down the Windows, you will see the VM status become shut off. Then we detach ISO value. Then you just need to power up the VM. You can start to use the Windows.